Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and as soon as you open it up, you will have various different options to create your new account. You can either use your Google or your Facebook account, and you can also tap on Continue with Email to sign up manually. Just tap on whichever option is suitable for you, and you might be asked to log into your Google account or your Facebook account. Just use your credentials for either one of these accounts, whichever one you have chosen, and you will be asked to choose your country or your region. Tap on the button alongside and choose from the various different regions that are available. After choosing your region, just type in your postcode within the postcode box, but you can also skip this if you wish to do so, as this is optional. Now underneath, you will be asked to enter your house number and your street name. You can also use your current location by tapping on the current location option. After entering your street name, click on the continue button, and now you will be asked to confirm your location by allowing your location access. You can tap on the continue button, and once your location has been accessed, your account will be set up. You may also be asked to confirm your account using your phone number, so you can tap on the confirm by phone and enter your phone number within the given section, and then fill in the verification code that you receive within your SMS. And you can also click on skip confirmation if you wish to do this later on. And now your new account on Nextdoor has been created right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.